Hi, ever use screen copy on a PC with an AMD GPU and suddenly your RAM skyrockets until it crashes? It's not your RAM or CPU fault. It's actually a memory leak from the AMD driver. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it so your OBS mirroring stays stable. First, make sure you are using new or latest version of screen copy. If you are on Android 16, you must use the latest version. Step 2. Run screen copy with other rendering method. So, we do not use default render method. We can change it by adding this parameter. In this video, we're gonna use opengl for rendering backend because it solved my problem. In case you can try another render method. Just look on your screen, pause this video, and yeah, you can try it if you are not solved by using opengl, but I hope it's solved with opengl. Then the last step is capture screen copy window using window capture. Do not use game capture to capture screen copy window because AMD has a bad DXGI management. So yeah, that's it. I hope it helped. Then yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to help me and help other people. So yeah, see you guys.